Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to hide your email address in Slack. So first, what you want to do is go to the workspace, then click on the name of the workspace right here, then click on tools and settings, then click on workspace settings. So once you click on that, this page will pop up. Then you just need to scroll down till you find the email display right here. So choose whether to display members' email addresses in their Slack profile. So you just need to click on expand, and here you could pick who can see the workspace members' email addresses. So either no one, members and guests of the workspace, or members and guests of workspace, plus the people from external organizations you're connected to. So if you want to set it to no one, just click on this one and click on save. That way, just exit out of here and you're done. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.